Members Pension Act 1977. The state government is neither closing nor forcing the railway project. Speaking to reporters on Friday, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the Northeast Frontier Railway is open to the project. There is no question of closing it, but there is no question of also forcing it, Conrad said. In the meantime, certain funds were parked for a certain project, and since it is not moving forward, obviously the government of India will ask questions of how long you will keep this money. So either we give it back or we divert it to another project within the state itself, he added.
No, I've just said it. You're putting words into my mouth. I used words very, very clearly. I said there is a first project is there. We are facing some hurdles. There are constraints, and we need to address those concerns that are there. It's taking time. In the meantime, certain funds were parked for a certain project. Since it's not moving forward, obviously Government of India will ask a question that how long will you keep this money? So either we give it back or we divert it to another project within the state itself and try to utilize that money so that it doesn't go to waste.